now we're opening right in the face of an absolutely gorgeous short setup. 4203 and then the 4209. So we talked about this over the weekend, like what that looks like, or yesterday's meeting. So anyway, this is what I'm looking for. We've already broke this. All right, we've already broke this. So we're looking for this thing to rip up into here, or possibly if it gets through that, even back up into the black magic up here in this 60, right? And that would put us up into this yesterday's black magic areas up in here, 4233. I don't care any one of those. I'm willing to get short, but I'm gonna be patient for the setup. God, look at this setup at 4209. If this 5-minute candle closes over 4209, I'm not touching anything short. Right there, first minute. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna give it one more five. I'm gonna give it another 5-minute candle and see what this does. That's the setup, though. The odds are we're gonna sell off at least back to the open print. What a miss! That was the one right there, baby. Stats to prove it, man. It was a nice statistical trade. We've been taking profits right now. Still, this is a great short. I should have took it. I would have been all out with what 15, 25 points on that. Two 5-minute candles, 25 points on that baby. It was perfect. So I'm just gonna have to have some patience for the short setup now, right? I like it short still, up here. Okay, so here's what I'm looking at. 42.41. I mean, it's already in my trigger range, right? But I'm watching this. I want to see 42.41.69. I want to see that sucker print. Got me some one strike. I'm liking this. I like how that price action keeps going up there and bumping on that thing and can't do it. Gorgeous. I'm going to take some profits down here at 32. I'm telling you, man, those setups are freaking gold. What a payday, boys. Hell, we busted right through 32. I didn't even have to sell it. Went all the way to the 12 mark, man, the 22. I love it when a plan comes together. Wait all day patiently for that beautiful setup, man.